Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys a full day of eating. I missed you guys so much, and I'm so happy to be back. A little disclaimer before I begin. This is not to tell you what to eat or what you should eat or anything. It's just showing you what I enjoy eating, what works for me, and what's the easiest for me. And I'm always running around, and this is the way I love and enjoy my meals. So I hope you guys get some ideas and enjoy this video. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more content, and like this video. So let's go ahead and this is my overnight oats that I made last night. I'm boiling some egg whites right here. I'm gonna eat 4 egg whites with my oats. So really quick, I'm gonna show you guys how I made them. I have a meal prep video coming out. Basically, I put half a cup of oats with about 2/3 cup of almond milk, but I feel like it needs a little bit more. It's too dry and too thick for my liking. I added 2 stevia and a teaspoon of chia seed, and this is how it looks the next day. So I'm just gonna add some almonds and some fruit on top, and I'm gonna take it to go. This is gonna be my breakfast with my 4 egg whites. And after I add my fruit and almonds, this is how it looks. It's so good, guys. I really recommend, especially for summer days. You don't want like a hot breakfast, and really healthy for you, really healthy carbs to start your day, and some healthy fats and fiber with the chia seed, and of course the egg whites for protein. Also packing my lunch, I have here some shrimp ceviche. It's like a Mexican salad. And this is called aguachile. Shrimp aguachile is just pretty low carb. It's just shrimp, cucumber, and onion, and some special sauce. If you guys want a recipe for this, let me know, and I will definitely make a video for you guys. But I do have a recipe on this ceviche. I'm gonna link it below if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna take half and half. On the side, I might eat it with a rice cake and avocado. I'm not sure yet, but I'll show you guys once I'm eating lunch. But yeah, this is pretty refreshing lunch, high protein, low carb. So I decided to add more cucumber to my salad because I feel like it didn't have enough. So I'm just here cutting some more. Usually you're supposed to take these seeds out, but I don't have time, so. If you haven't tried this in fruit or cucumber, it's so good. It's like tajin, Mexican tajin, but it's so good. It's just from Trader Joe's. It's only $1.99, so I'm gonna take this as well. All right, so it is lunchtime. I'm eating my lunch around 12 p.m. I did eat my oatmeal and egg whites about 3 hours ago, and I'm pretty hungry. So here, like I told you guys earlier, I have a rice cake. This is only 35 calories and 7 carbs. And I'm just using it as a tostada because I didn't bring any tostadas. I didn't have any, but it's really good with the rice cake. I spread some avocado, and I'm making myself a little meal here. And I've been into these drinks. These are supposedly like diet soda, but it's more like sparkling water. They are 0 calories and 1 gram of carb, and they taste so good. If you like soda, and obviously it's not good, I recommend these. I bought them at Sprouts. All right, so it's time for my snack. It's right now about 2 p.m. and this is what I'm having. If you are not new to my channel, you guys know I have this almost every day, and it's plain yogurt and cottage cheese, 2% cottage cheese. I add my favorite fruit, which is blueberries and strawberries, and I actually crumbled a Power Crunch bar, just half of it, to give it some crunch and some chocolate flavor, and a little bit more protein. Here are the macros for it. It's 205. So just all this divided by 2 because I did only eat half. 2 hours later, I'm having another snack. I do have like 6 small meals throughout the day. This snack is my pre-workout snack. I'm gonna get off work in 30 minutes, so I'm having a flaxseed toast with peanut butter, banana, blueberries, and chia seed. The chia seeds have done so good to me. And then this is a pancake syrup that's zero sugar, 0 calories, and it's really good on top of my toast. Now, with that, I'm having my Celsius. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I have these every day. They're really good amino acids. They give me energy, and they have a lot of vitamins, which, believe it or not, I know this is what's helping me grow my hair. Hey guys, so I just got home from work, and I changed because I'm gonna have a workout in a little bit. I want to show you guys my waist trainer. This is from Body Max, and this is the one I always post on my Instagram. I do have a discount code if you are interested in a waist trainer. This one's really good. It really makes you look all snatched, and then when I take this off after my workout, I drench with sweat. So I recommend this one. I can't tie it, but it's by Body Max, and you can use code FitSussie for a discount. And of course, I got my ex gordita shirt right here. I do want to show you guys something that I probably haven't shown you guys. My water bottle. So this is a gallon. It's huge, and I've been drinking it all day. I just haven't showed you guys, but let me actually set it up because I can't show you guys. So it's pretty big, as you can see, and it tells you like during the day. It kind of like motivates you to drink water. Right now I'm on track because it's 5 p.m. so I'm right here, and it gives you like a little motivational quote here, so it's really cool. I got this from my friend. Actually, she gave it to me, but you can find it at Amazon. So I highly recommend this if you struggle with drinking water. I did want to show you guys that I've been drinking water. I know I haven't shown you guys, but here is my gallon. All right, guys, so it is dinner time, post-workout meal. I'm gonna be making some pasta. This is not regular pasta. This is actually edamame pasta, and the macros are amazing. For 1/3 of a package is 250 calories, 3 fat, 28 carb, and 34 protein. This is amazing because for that much of a serving, usually it's around 50 to 70 carbs. And this is also really high fiber, which I like. It's 15 grams of fiber. The only ingredients are organic, green soybeans, and water. I got this at grocery outlet, but I believe you can find it at like Sprouts or just I've seen them everywhere. It doesn't have to be this brand also, but I really recommend this one. I know it looks nasty because it's green, but actually it's not bad. So here I'm boiling 1 serving. I'm gonna mix it in with zucchini and a little bit of corn. I'm just gonna cut this up and cook it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. This I'm gonna be adding a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of salt. It looks ready after about 5 or 6 minutes. I drained my noodles here, and I want to take advantage that they're still hot. I'm going to be adding this cheese. This is it's called creamy Swiss, and it comes individually wrapped like this. I'm going to use one to make it like a little cheesy. You can make your pasta however you want, but I feel like I'm craving some cheese today. So these are only 35 calories per wedge, so I'm gonna see if one's enough. If it is, then I won't add any more, but I want to take advantage that it's hot so it can kind of melt. And like I said, trust me, I know it doesn't look good, but the texture is actually like pasta, and you're getting more nutrition than just eating plain white pasta that's just raising your sugar levels, and obviously not good for you or for diabetics. This is actually pretty good for diabetics or for anyone. I highly recommend this pasta. Not sponsored, but it's up to you if you want to add more cheese. If you don't, it's up to you. Like I said, the wedges are only 35 calories. I bought this one at Aldi, but I believe they have other brands like at Albertsons or other stores, Walmart. Now I'm just gonna top everything off with my veggies and kind of mix it a little bit more. I have some chicken that I cooked for my meal prep, and I'm gonna use some a little bit just because the pasta already is high in protein. It is 34 grams of protein, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. A little bit reduced fat feta cheese. And voila, this is my dinner. It looks so good, and I'm so hungry. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got something out of it. I do not eat the same every single day, but a lot of things are really similar. I don't get bored of them. Like my Greek yogurt, I have that almost every single day. And I want to show you guys really quick when I end my night with sugar-free Jello with fat-free whipped cream. If you've been following me, you know this is only about 10 calories. I didn't really feel like eating anything else. Usually I like something like sweet at night, but I got pretty full with the pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for your support, for your love. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go follow me. It's FitSussie. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for more videos, and remember to do what's right and what's easy.